Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lucy Reader. I'm your customer service manager on this flight to Hanover. I'd like to introduce you to my team today. I have Georgia and Claire. I would like to advertise and welcome to all and welcome back our exempted club members and one frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe